Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by acting immediately. Open the account recovery page and choose the Forgot Password or Recover Account option. Make sure your recovery phone or secondary email is at hand and that you can receive codes. Note recent passwords, device names, and the approximate account creation date. These prove ownership. Once done, enter the account identifier and follow prompts to send a verification code. Doing this first speeds the rest of the process and reduces back and forth. You now move into identity verification. When codes arrive, type them exactly and quickly. Expired codes fail. If asked, supply recent passwords, security question answers, and any device or IP address where you signed in. Specificity matters. Prefer using a device and location you commonly use to access the account because providers weigh that context heavily. If you have backup codes or an authenticator app, use them now. Be patient but precise. Correct details greatly improve your chance of restoration. You finish by setting a new, unique password and turning on two-step verification to prevent repeat loss. Then review account activity and remove unknown devices or third-party apps. Update recovery phone and secondary email so future recovery is smoother. If the automated flow denies recovery, escalate. Gather proof like billing records, device serial numbers, or message timestamps and contact provider support. If needed, wait 48 to 72 hours for internal review.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.